omuhobwenje kubuwahire Sulumani okwebembera ihangeri no kongera obusinge bakaikari buri muntu wena tumanye ngo obushoborozi niwo bwine kandi n'obwenje niwo bwine nitushaba mukama kutangwa ihangeri impari gyo obusinge omuri Afrika nensi yone kimanye kandi mukama gorora mukono gwawe bona bebembezi bona bihangeri impa mukama obaho mugisha akwa butegeki niburuga hariwe mukama nitushaba kugira ngo obebembere noburo tukuza mu bwena obwebembere kandi mushagone mbabazi bihikirire mukama reko mukono gwawe gubari president witu mukama omezo mugisha n'ubwenge no kwetegereza ihangeri ko kuyari tandikire mukama aje kuri samuheru hashiriho businge twashaba turaba omwiza Yesu mukama witu
ruhanga weito wembabazi oba mukuru taroshana neiwe ntwenda kusimira izoberi eri wahikiriza tutekateke bintu nk'abana b'abantu bihikiriza nkaruhanga niwo yeta niwo torana niwo tuma niwo basisa ntukusima ayi mukama habwo kweta president kumara emyaka ejo kutwebembera no kukorerera obusinge kandi twakusima nahabwe rizoba omuri Kigezi okumureta n'obusinge njere kumuhereza amani umugebembezi bwe njere kumuhereza ubwenge okutwebembera kandi okukira munonga mukama umuhereze ngoga nitumushabira umugisha gwawe nekaye n'engendo ze mu izina rya tateitwe neryo mwana neryo mwoyo rukwera. Your Excellency kangambe kigambo kimwe njwekire abebembezi bedini omuri Kigezi abwa districts mukaga ubu watweta omu State House orukutuhabura okukorerera obusinge no kwegese byentunguka omuryaga amareberezi gito n'abahereza beitu yebare habwo watumire the right honorable Stephen Tashobya okugira ngo atwebembere kuza Fort Portal kandi hamwe na Kakumiro owanyakana tukazayo twaribe byari kukora kandi twarugayo twaza owa honorable Fred bya mukama twarebe byari kukora n'entaska yibari kutunga buri kwezi twarugayo twazo wa right honorable speaker w'ishengero. Your Excellency ni nkwamiza ngo tukarugayo nengoga no mujinya ukore sita karikeri twine ngo twetungure tutungura abantu abo turi gukoranga hamwe niwe turiyo nitukora report. Your Excellency ubuna kuburayike watweta nitugikuhereza konka yebare okutwigura meisho yebare okuturwanirira yebare habwo businge mukama kwerezo mugisha.
Your Excellency nanye nintwaro mu gishogu okukwakira omuri Kabale. Amazina ganje ninye Dr. Francis Runomi enumi ya Kabale kandi nitwara na Rukundo Mpango shendekerezibwe mugenzi wanje Edson turyahabwa publicity secretary mu NRM office nitumanya nka political so nitwakira munonga abanyakabale Museveni oye NRM oye ebiro byahika kona tukavugijize nkae omuka box turi kwenda Museveni oye omumukoro gutubere ntukora. Your Excellency abatuyambire munonga twinemwo Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda yebale RDC na NRM office bebale Charles Mbire na mama Mbire munyanyoko nabo bohereza kantu katuyamba. Bank of Uganda Deputy Governor na watu yambire munonga kandi wabali kumuho murimo. Honorable Stephen Bamwangalya Special President's Advisor twineyo Peace Rugambwa mawe ogo mukaza akozire kintu yamawe Peace kandi twineyo King Caesar Mulenga General Weyesigire Major General Dr. Musinguzi akozire umurimo gw'amani Henry Masco nabandi Peter Mugarura na waryaha Kakama Kagoma ryaha no mwami kanagizi Dr. Basima Amosinzei bona bakwasizo murimo webale munonga ngendo kantu haro mu gishogu okwakira munywane wanje kandi muto wanje Todwong, Secretary General weitu na wagire byayongeraho. You are welcome.
NRM oye! Kabale oye! Museveni oye! Thank you. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the Chairman of the National Resistance Movement Party, we welcome you to Kabale as you continue to remind the members of the party and the population of Kigezi and Uganda about the need to protect the gains we have scored over the years. Your Excellency, to us, you are a teacher, you are a mentor, you are our pivot. You are not campaigning, because for someone to campaign, that means the people don't know that person. But we know you, we have tested the policies you have implemented. Uganda is peaceful for the first time in history. You are just reminding us about how we should keep living better in Uganda. Mr. President, our program is going to be very brief so that we give you humble time to talk to your people. I will introduce a few of the senior leaders who are here, and thereafter I will invite the chairperson of the district to come and give us a brief political report, and other speakers will come after her in less than 2 minutes. We have amidst us the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, who is also the second National Vice Chairperson of the party, Right Honorable Anita Annette Among. We have SEC members. Allow me to introduce the Regional Vice Chairman for Western Region, Comrade Asime Joanat. Thank you so much. We have Al-Aji Basaja Balaba, the National Chairperson for the Entrepreneurs League in the party. We have Comrade Honorable Arinaitwe Rwakajara, the National Chairperson for the Workers League. We have Comrade Tanga Collins, the National Chairman of the Youth League of the party. We have Ms. Kobusinje Adrian, who is the National Chairperson for the Women's League, joined by the Regional Vice Chair for the Women's League, Mrs. Enid Mwesije. They have been commanding the Women's Parade, and we are very grateful for dressing our ladies. Thank you so much. We have our elder, the Right Honorable Ndugu Ruakana Rugunda, who has always been with us in the trail. Mr. President, we have ministers. Honorable Chris Bariomuzi is here with us. The Toles Muchiga from Kanungu. We have Honorable David Bahati, who is here with us. We have Honorable Musasiri Henry, who is also here with us. We recognize all members of parliament, flag bearers, all other leaders that are here, religious leaders, and you, the party faithfuls, for coming this afternoon. Allow me to invite the party chairman to come and give us a brief political report about the district. Our party chairman, Honorable David Bahati, opted to contest as an independent. And because of that, we allow his vice chairperson to read the memorandum on behalf of the party members in the district. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Anita, the Right Honorable Prime Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, the parliamentary flag bearers, resident district commissioners, district chairpersons, the religious leaders, district guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, my name is Asinga My name is Asinga Bridget Tumwesije, the NRM Chairperson, Kabare District. NRM oye! NRM oye! Musafani oye! Your Excellency Nyikiriza kushomera memo y'abanyakabare kandi niza kugishoma mu rurimi rw'itu rwenzarwa okugira ngo buryo mwe ayategereze ebikwise n'inshoma aho kwandi kubishombo mu izina y'abanyakabare. Your Excellency nitwakira munonga omuri kabare yitu Nyamurungi ensi nungi y'enshozi kandi ari kumanya nka Switzerland of Africa. Your Excellency abanyakabare nibakwakira munonga n'ekihika kandi kambashabe ngu tumwereke amani okumanga turi na His Excellency. Your Excellency, district yitu ekozirwe eyina abantu emitwaro 285 neshango mu bukizi bwa bumosho bwa Uganda kandi ahabwe emishozi omuri Kigezi nemanywa nka Switzerland of Africa. Kabare district erimu constituencies 3 emiruka nshanju na mwenda ebyaro rushanju 28 amagombori 12 kandi na divisions 3 omuri Kabare municipality ebikozirwe. Your Excellency nitukusimire ebintu ebi okukira munonga obusingi n'obulinzi omukyanga kitu kya Kabare aho nyenda kusimiraho RDC witu wa Kabare kamukuru wa security webare munongo murimo gori kukora nsime komanda wa Kabare 31 Battalion Chumuro Lieutenant Kaganda mwebare munonga ahabwa security eyi muri kutukuha kandi na DPC wa Kabare SG Okero. Kabare district nebasima ebikozigwe nko kubyayorokwa ahife. Your Excellency nitukusimira obuyambi obututungire okurabira omuri werese creation programs z'emyoga parish development kandi na livelihood hamwe na aweb. Nitwenda kusima ezo projects zona ezo batse kutuhereza kandi aho munyikirize nsimireho omukyara Peace Rugambwa presidential advisor webare munonga otutire mwamani. Your Excellency omucharogu atwarire bikuru omu groups zitu zona bose z'abashija eminyeto kandi n'abakazi. Nitukusima Your Excellency abwe sente zo kunduze nguto bose municipality nitwecho kureberaho Bwankosa Road na Rushoroza okulabira omu USMAID. Nitukusimira akatale kitwa Kabare Central Market. Nitukusimira enkuta tandikirobwa hata yitutura niturira eya Kabare Leki Bunyonyi. Webare Your Excellency. Your Excellency nitukusima ahabwa orutindo rwa Kitibya omuri Kyanamira sub county ndorwa east orurukwetwa Kitibya Kabanyonyi Mishundwe road. Your Excellency, nitukusimira ahabwa project ya mizi agobaze kutuhereza agari kuza kwata amagombororo 3 Buhara Maziba Kyanamira agari kuza kukorerwa ahari Bugarama kandi agariho sente nyingi munonga eziri kwika billion obutabarwa 88 na miliyoni 8. Your Excellency, nitukusima munonga. Your Excellency, twaza habyo bwegese nitukusimira Kabale University habwo kujita omu government. Hatiya it is a public university. Nitukusima bwokwambeka amashomero ga CD School, Buhara CD School, Kakomo CD School, Rukore High School, Rukore Polytechnical. Tubasize kuhunduza amashomero ga Maziba Primary School yabire twirwa Mutunga, Nyabushabi Primary School, Butanda SS, Ndorwa SS, Murungu Public School. Nitukusimira itendekero ry'eminyeto omuri Kabale ahari Kamukanguzi Presidential Youth Skilling Hub. Ishomero ryo liyambire abana bitu munonga. Your Excellency, aba babire batabasize kwega bakayika hare kandi abamwe batwerekire bijuma okurugiro omurye rw'itengero. Namgani Your Excellency, nitukushaba kugira ngo iri accommodating akigezi yona twongere turi hanguse habwo kuba abana bariyo bingi abacayetenga kwega emyoga. Webare Your Excellency. Nitukumanyisa Your Excellency, omuri Kabale twineme byo bwiga bwo mwitaka obutare kandi tukumanyisa ngo twaherize kutunga companies. Twine Musino Mines eri kukorera muri Buhara sub county kandi twinemo n'abatembo abayikire hano baherize kwikizana district ya Kabale okugira ngo tusayininge memorandum of understanding nabo batandike bakore. Konka Your Excellency, nitukushaba kugira ngo tugire factory ya owa habwo kuba butaro muri Kabale ni bwingi obundi abana bitu bakabona mwe mirimo n'abandi baganyirwamo. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, ebine turi kushaba nk'abanyakabale omuri Kabale tukatandika project yo kuhinga majani konka kasente kamara kaburabura tigine katare kinji konka nitushemererwa kugira ngo tugine kandi twine na masko ngu akatare nikija kweyongera nitubone sente. Konka Your Excellency, nitukushaba ababire nibabendeka amajana bamwe tibaratungire sente zabo. Ngwene Your Excellency, twandikushaba ngo kitekateke nko kubabire bakwanjurire esente zo bazihebwe abo kwazikabagaruze nyuma. Webare Your Excellency. Nitwenda Your Excellency, twine challenge ya tractors ninga machine zo kore nguto no manya regional workshop erimbarara aza kuza kwihayo tractors zamani nkoko ari kureba terini yitu ya Kabale emishozi nizenda tractors zamani nka bulldozer, excavator nebindi ebiri kubasa kwata amabare ago mu mishozi yitu. Nitukushaba okugira ngo tugire regional mechanic workshop omuri Kigezi tutagumani tuzakutiza mbarara. Your Excellency, nyenda kuhendera ndi kusima abantu abo twohererizo muri Kabare habwo kumobilizinga akaruru kawe nitsima our vice chairman for Western, Mr. Jordan Asimwe. Please, can you stand up and they clap hands for you? So, wewe mnonga Abanyakabare, Your Excellency, nitubanyangu bakashaba site iwatire. Nitumanyangu tujitejerize kandi twinamasiko ngunoza kujituha. Webare, Your Excellency. I'm done. Your Excellency, namariraho rubazo rwitu rw'Abanyakabare nasigara ndi asinga Bridget Tumwesije, the chairman NRM Kabare district, and I'm the district woman representing Chanamira sub-county in the district council, secretary for finance, works, administration, and technical services. I thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you for those wonderful words. We only ask from someone who gives. So we thank you so much for the list of the request, and we know our president, our father, is always a giver. He will give at the right time, including the city. May I invite Right Honorable Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda to come and welcome our candidate in Kabale district and greet us. Thereafter, the regional vice chairman will come and make his very brief remarks. We want to give time for the president to address us. The Right Honorable Speaker will be inviting the president to talk to us.
Movement oye! Kabale oye! Uganda oye! Museveni oye! Owekitiinisa President, abebembezi ba government hamwe na National Resistance Movement, abantu ba Kabale kandi ba Kigezi, mwena mulije mwebale munonga kwija omubwingi okutangirira President wa Uganda kandi emanzi ya Uganda kandi omuntu orwanire Uganda kumara umwanya mulengwa. Mwebale munonga. President Museveni omuli kuleba namazima hati naye nangu muho bururu konka obururu obwe ahabwenki nabwenda ngu agumizemu emirimo mirungi eyamazire omwanya mulengwa nakora. Mwebale kumwongerayo abamwene babasa kugira ngo beshi Museveni ogu kandi nitumureba jwere nkufire aryo mugurusi ninga yakuzire akarugahe nakukira munonga abana bato abundi kureba hampaha omubugufu munonga. President Museveni nkamumanya aryo mu university nanye ndyo mu university kandi twakora hamwe kwihobwe kutwamazire ebyo kwega yatandika omulimo omu ofisi ya president kuyabere amarama kanya kake Idi Amin yahamba government. Idi Amin akahamba government ebirabire na bitano byokwezi ko kubanza, ebirabire na mukaga Yoweri Museveni yantayira Makerere. Twaganira yagira ati nyowe naza kuza Tanzania kutandika resistance against this potentially very bad regime. Beitu mwahurira Idi Amin yakwata obushoboro zeri izoba nyencha kali agira ati ubu nibuza kuba buteje kibubi katuburwanisi nanye nkekirizana nawe ngunyoni nza kuguma omu medical school konka ngume ninkora omu beges students abokuba nkaba ndi president wa National Union of Students of Uganda. Ninyenda kumwebaza abokuba kabe manzi ebyagambire yabikora yeija Idi Amini yamuhirika nakora n'aba Tanzania abamwe hamwe n'abantu abakikosi malumu kutwabire twamara kanya kace twazo mu bururu obururu babucanga cyanga kuba bucanga cyangire Yoweri Museveni ati ekyashisha Uganda katuchakanisi nimumanya ko yayembembire abasigazi n'empangare okuzo mu kishaka akamaramo emyaka 5 na hati obusinjo butwine niwe yabulesire muragira ngo muntu kogwe tashemerera ubururu bwinji mbwena abanyakabare mwena murebe ngutagira karura kasigara Uganda kabe no buremezi yagicureza yarwana entaro nyingi nimumanyi byarakwena nimumanyi byakonyi nimumanyi bya ADF entaro zikaziri nyingi so omubugufu President Museveni ni washemereire akaruru kandi akatandika kukolera Uganda no kukolera Africa kale na kale ebinje byakolera Africa tinabizamu konka mumanye nguni binji mbwenu banywane banje murebe inguti yabawenka yatungo bururu obwata katungaga omubwinji omuli kabale omuli kigezi omuli Uganda kamba hiseho endamusyo ya munywani weitu amama Mbabazi ati abasa kwija konka yangambira ato ohambiza abanyakabali ngu nyowe n'abantu banje bona bundi kugamba nabo turye nyima ya Yoweri Museveni na National Resistance Movement mbwenu mayunguti muri mwenka na amama Mbabazi na timu ye bona bali neitwe. Your Excellency, it has been my great pleasure to really welcome you once again omuli kabale no kwakira omwishomero erinyo wena Mbabazi twayijeiremu kigeza sikuru yo rukurereji watwe kitinisa kandi kitinisa ekyo twakyakira mbwenu kanshabe bagenzi banje betondijo muntu ategerize ndugu Secretary General, you are most welcome.
Thank you so much, our elder, for that elaborate CV of our candidate. We thank God for protecting him for Uganda and keeping all of you, our elders, up to now that you're seeing the transformation of Uganda. May I invite the Regional Vice Chairman to come and make his brief remarks, and thereafter invite the Right Honorable Speaker to come and invite our President to speak to us. Thank you so much. Just very brief. Come very fast. Time. We are left with 1.5 hours.
Our party chairman, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker, the SEC members, and my fellow youth, I want to begin by thanking His Excellency for having empowered the younger people. Can I have some of the younger people whom we have mobilized together since we started? Collins, you can stand for recognition once again. Omuchiga Wangara, Brenda. Thank you so much. His Excellency, I'm working with this team and I'm working with a number of mobilizers to say that Kabale is once again a better place. I'm going to speak 2 or 1 points about production. You saw His Excellency in his one of the books. He told us a country without youth and women is going nowhere. When I looked around Kabale, I saw that people are really hardworking, and I request for more input. Rwanda, already His Excellency has proposed the factory and he has requested for the land. Honorable Musasizi, that one is waiting, and if the land is available, the iron and steel industry will be available. Once again, I want to comment about this. We people of Kabale and Rwanda, we agree. We have no problem where the iron and steel factory is located, for as long it is within Kabale or Rwanda, we will work. I can say in bracket Chigezi. Tiniko. Then lastly, I want to remind about the Irish value addition. In Soro, we expected to have the factory for adding value in Irish. And I think when you look around Chigezi, many people I interacted with, they were requesting if you can add on the Irish value addition in the region, the production is going to be more. As I conclude, remember our country, 70% are the younger people. And the manifesto of this term, His Excellency has prioritized on production. He wants everybody to be involved in production because consumption is running faster than production. His Excellency, we want to thank you for the power you have given us. Ruchiga is connected on the national grid. Rwanda has power. Kabale has power. And we want the Ministry of Agriculture and also trade to do more empowerment for local industrialization. Allow me invite the second national vice chairperson, female, to address and invite our beloved President. Museveni oye! Chigezi oye! Iron and Steel Factory oye! Thank you.
NRM oye! NRM oye! Museveni oye! The people of Kabale, we want to thank you so much for welcoming us to the Switzerland of Uganda. We want to thank you, the people of Kabale, for being very loving people. And the people of Kabale, I bring you greetings all the way from Teso. I bring you greetings from northern Uganda. I bring you greetings from Karamoja. I bring you greetings from eastern Uganda. The people of eastern Uganda, the people of Karamoja, northern, are saying they will vote for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni 90%.
Abari ku rugaburo rw'izuba Karamoja n'amatemba ga Uganda bo barahire wakaruru bendo kacumita Kaguta Museveni 9 Liganda.
And they are requesting you to vote for President Museveni 100%.
Aza barabashaba ngwitwe ibigana Liganda.
And for them they are saying President Museveni has brought them from nowhere.
Wani bagira mumazima President Museveni abeihire hale.
He has removed them from the cattle rustlers,
Abeihire hale munonga.
from the Konyi rebels,
Abeihire omubari kubibihente abari ebitambuki. Abara kwena mukabihurira.
from homosexuals.
Harimo n'ebitingwa uko nayo akabihayo.
And he has brought peace to the country.
Azalesira obusinjo
And
munsi.
if he has brought peace to the country, the only way they can thank him is by voting for him.
Ngendo kwalesira obusinjo muri ry'ihanga okumuzimulira no kumucumbita bururu.
And the people of all that place where president has been are very excited with the development that has been in the country.
Kandi iyi president arabirehona abantu bona nibamwenya ahabwe ntunguka eyabashikiremu.
And for us, we are saying you would rather be in a bus which delivers you to the next destination than being in an umbrella which is covering evil.
Nitwenda tumuguma muri go muhanda ogwatwerekire ituru kuzahabonere ubwo turi hasi yo mu mvuri.
Because the evil that we are talking about, in that evil there is homosexuality.
Abo kuba ekimwe mu bibi mnonga ekiryo muri ejo mihanda mibi nebyo bitingwa.
And you're saying they want a protest vote. What are you protesting?
Azangu-
The peace that has been brought to the country.
Azangu nibenda kutera karuru ko kuhakana. Azangu nibenda kutera karuru ko kuhakana nabwo kugira ngo akaleto businjo muri ry'ihanga.
The development that has come to Uganda.
Uko entunguka iziro mu Uganda.
The factory that is going to be brought here that the chairman has just talked about.
Factory ziri kwenda kwije zibeza gambaho.
And we want to thank you, President, for promising to give our people here a factory for validation for Irish.
President nitwenda kusima munonga okoraganisa abantu kunoza kutayo factory yo kongeraho amana habye monde.
President, we want to thank you once more for recommending and approving the passing of the city of Kabale.
President tulenda kusima munonga ahabwo kwikiriza no kureba ngo hazaho site yeitu ya Kabale.
Kabale city was passed in 2020.
Kabale site ekarabibwamo mu 2020.
What is left is operationalization of the city, which is going to be operationalized with Moroto, Nakasongola, Entebbe.
Ekisigaire no kureba ngo yatongozibwa yatandika gukora ubwo kuratirwe Moroto Nakasongora Entebbe nangwa na Wakisi.
So the issue of the city is a done deal.
Ekintu kyesite tutashobora kukiterera rwari cyahwere.
We want to request you people of Kigezi that vote for President Museveni, a man, the old man with the chikofira.
Nitwenda kubashaba munonga abantu ba Kigezi okuterera President Museveni oyinamani nekifuba cyo kwebembera
And
ihangire.
vote for all the flag bearers.
Aza muterera batwatire bendera. Ebendera.
And we can only be strong when we have a president who is NRM, and up to down we have NRM.
Nikirunja iguru twaba twineho emanzi ya NRM kandi na hasi amahega gagikire garyaga NRM.
And this campaign is going to be managed by you people.
Kandi cyo nimwe murakikore.
The campaign is going to be managed by you. We shall come back and ask you what percentage have you got.
Kandi kubirawe nibija kutubuza tukatayo percentage eri kushaki omubututerere.
I want to request our members who stood for primaries, even if you lost, campaign for President Museveni.
Aza nimwe babire bararwanira bendera kukarabika banagira nyabara mwezirike turondere President Museveni akaruzi.
This is the only hope we have for this country.
Abwo kuba nigomba siko gutusigeze jinsi yetu.
And the people of Western Uganda want to thank you so much for bringing a visionary leader to this country.
Kandi nibenda kusima munonga abamuntu bwa burweizo ba Uganda okureba ngo tukareta omuntu ari kuranziye hale munonga ari kwetegereza.
And we continue praying for you, President.
Aza tugume tushabire President.
And we'll continue being with you until you get tired of this country.
Aza turaza kuguma neiwe mpaka hurya ruhira.
We want to thank you for accepting to be our flag bearer.
turakusima kureba ngo ndi wo kuguma twebembere nebendera yitu ya NRM.
Our sister, we want to thank you for supporting Mzee.
Munyanyazi nitwenda kushima niwe naki okutwokolete
I want
Mzee.
all of us to clap your hands for President Museveni. Clap your hands for
Mutere ngaro zamani.
Yoweri Oye! President Oye! Your Excellency, we want to request you to come and speak to your people.
President nitukushaboje ganirira abantu bawe.
These people love you so much.
Aba bantu bakutegereze munonga ne bakwenda munonga.
And they have promised to give you all the votes.
Kandi bagira ngo baza kuburura ubwona.
God bless you all.
Ruhanga akulinde.
Okay, sit down, please. Kale. Vice Chairperson wa NRM, inja kugambo, inja kurwanzi.
Webale Mzee.
Vice Chairperson wa NRM, kandi Speaker wa Parliament, Vice Chairperson NRM Western, Secretary General, abebeza abandi bona n'abanyakigeza bari aha Neijaha Right Honorable Rugunda, retired Prime Minister and a long-time comrade of the NRM, member of NRM. Toijaha n'abandi bebembezi kubanjurira enteekateeka ya NRM myaka ya 2026 2031 obururo burukwija tuyine manifesto erimu erikubanjurira emiganda ninkoze ikigambo emiganda ningashaba hata batakumenya muganda mbasokosa amatafari emiganda ninga amatafari agi NRM etere hari Uganda. Dr. Rugunda yatandikira hari yabagambira biri byenyima ebyo kucungura Uganda obutayenturwana utwarwana na Idi Amin na government ezakuratireho konke byo manifesto tuteiremu manifesto standikira myaka 80 enyuma 1986 twaja stoku ihobo NRM etere migande ngahi ahari Uganda ninga shama amatafara ngahi abatu baza kutamanya miganda amatafari twashanga NRM etere amatafari mushanju ahari Uganda mu myaka 80 hati ninjagamba amatafari anagonka kongo press conference ninjagamba gona mushanju itafari yo kubanza niriba bagambira eryo businge nyuma zetu turikisoro abakisoro nibamanya ebirikeriyo hino wabo muse ya Kongo nibamanya ekirikumanyisa okutagira businge kandi mwe mbali mbihurura nawe ekyo ntwehurura okumanya ngo NRM niyale turubusinge mu Uganda wahora speaker yabana bagambira Karamoja n'ibicwe bya binentaro hati kubashemerewe kubara kutagira ateriyo nitafari nambemwe itafari namba ya kabiri nentunguka
entunguka erimu embaju ibiri orubaju rumwe nikitweta mu rujungu economic infrastructure okwenda kukivunura nikimanyisa emisingi y'ebyentasya kandi orundi orubaju ni social infrastructure okwenda kukivunura n'emisingi y'ebyentuura y'abantu omukyaro washoma chairperson wa district wa NRM yabagambira kana nye byona mbinaha umfairo enguto nimuzimanya uruguto rwambara rwakabare nimurumanya urukuza katuna nimurumanya rwaxor nimurumanya atumene tuterewe ezindi ezikuruga katuna kuzoku muko twatowe ezindi ziri aha zona enguto nyingi ate uruguto rukuteganisa n'uruguto orukuruga Kambwezi Muhanga Rwamushucu Kisizi no kuza Rubare na Kebisoni kandi rukagira itagiri kuza Nyakishenyi kunkana rutuja kurukora ibyo amashomero ibyo marwaro ibyo chairperson yabigambaho so mbene byona hamwe no muganda gwa kabiri NRM eterali Uganda ugwentunguka muri cyo kutsindikana mwana nimbareba nemwe mundeba atogo nugo muganda gwa kabiri NRM ugwetera hali Uganda konka ekitanto bagambira okutahuga mukagira ngo entunguka nekomunji yawe automatically tubagambira si entunguka roho konka ebizibe biri mukayawe n'ubworo bwawe umbaza ubworo bwawe neki tujasti ahantunguka tongero ikigambo cyo bugeiga muri cyo kugira umunguto habo kuba 1995 tweja kabare twatera kuri kete na butobere ururgu turkarwine chorus already beta na hati kurukuzayo no shangariyo aboro nawe cyo itafari ya kashatu ere mutera hali Uganda no kuhabura kandi ekabangira abantu abarukwenda kurugumboro umakagabo atejengiri tukagitanga kare kuko Dr. Rwanda yabagambira ito twatandikire ukumura abantu baitu umyaka yankaga twaza kurwana naamini twantureba neja kutukereza kutuha harigendo rwito rutwabetorho atobo twacomesa abantu tubagira nyaburamu entunguke lyaho nihanga lyona n'ekyanga kyona konka ekikuru munonga hariwe n'entasyo mumakaga hati abayingi nyonka kora munonga umushweke cy'amahamba agomba kurisiza mwente Nyabushozi Kazo Sembabure Ngoma uko mu mahamba gente niyo natandikire ukora mu directly bayingi umucyange cyo bakahurira ukabura kwitu namwe kambore cyehomwe askurina
Amazina ninge George Matongo wa Ngoma mugongo gutuye hano gwataka shozi nandi kutaha umurimo gwanje ndi muri isa nteze meja kureba nuko cyandikira tataka ndagente bakuya talobo hagwachadana meirisa zakanya nagura amataka nyuse nazo zankorera ibintu kwenda zashubitiza abana bihereze naturuho kabanza mu Nyankore naje nahindura kumwata ngo nzungu nuko zahanyiranye nazitunga atuzungu zindisumute.
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Hato mshajogo tashomire umnyacyaro akari abanyankore abaira abantu bakorenda yonka batakumanya ibikora sente kuko kuto abashomeshe kuto abahabwire basimuka bona bengi bona batu bakasimuka nambunogu no mwaharo atumwahurira ko basimukire bayego korenda amuno koreshaho ate ugu natunda mate mahurira kwa kutunda lita 900 buri zoba ebe yamatoko eri hansi aboko amateni mengi lita yamatena nibagigura harusiringi 800 konka aboko amateni mengi lita 900 mu izoba umukwezi natashe milioni 21 umwaka nzo milioni 250 yombekere njunungi yatamusora yashomesa abana bahurugu mushiko gambo rujungu bari graduate bahindikire nabo cyingiri yitu ekakora mu myaka yankaga twagira mu government baretengije niye mu Uganda yona twabajya sinyaburamu okugira mu Tamak Road manyebiha good konkanye kiro norara harkorasi yekiro kumkwira murara hangute yakora saha umtawuni nimurara imbabuza murarankahi umakaganyu naroma kaganyu aha hato wara rumka yawe uburo ubuwatsigaye umukashishi nuba kutegereze nubukwakira nubukujya ngo tukiriya uruko mu rukiko konke bizubi watsigo mukashishi bikiriya we naho no tukubahabura twayanyaburamu ibihanga konka amakagawe bigenda ansa bigenda ukoroho kandi ikikubasika yawe n'ubugeiga no kutagira mu government twashomese ngire twashomesa abo mu rukoro umwaka gwakene na mukaga ni 10 bigufu gwakene na mukaga umukarura kakene na mukaga twabito mu manifesto twabahabura 4 acres model kora benita ka rufundire ika ina ingarta kushika ikemwe utemumwani ike ya kabiri utemu ibijuma, ike ya kashatu utemu ibinyatsi byente kurya, ike ya kana utemu ibikurya byeka, ekanyuma uteye enkoko z'amahuri, uza kuteye n'empunu utari umusiramu, wabohekere hehi n'ebishara bije uteye ebidobo by'enyanja. Wakora ebyo nubakubona ahafunzire nogega haramu no abanyita barapfireho okaye n'abapfireho abahurikizo kushomesa kwetu nambone kamborekeyo nyine benjaha afirmu konka abubwire nje kuboreka y'umuntu omwe nga babiri nje kuboreka babiri nje kuboreka basangwa wakamuri katubere twatandika nawe.
Nze Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jaka Poultry Farm. Jaka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge, Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. Ezo futi 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Kawugaba mwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo eky'emirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu banja abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. Ayi president yaida yatulungamya yakoba tubana abantu mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukole emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byona yabyogerako. Nze napikinga mu ekyokulunda enkoko n'atandika farm mu 2007 n'enkoko 5. Sawa dino wendogerera ku farm kuno tize mabega ntambwire. President yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5,000 yasanuka ino. Sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko 1,200 tufulumya amagi etru 2,000 buli lunaku. Etru 2,000 divamu milioni 2 buli lunaku. Omwezi diba milioni 6. Omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze 6 n'ekitundu.
Atogo ntagala kuyomberera abantu hati ubwo mutsigazi yahuro kwabura ko kwanjye wehamama amahuri hata itugambira aine nkoko emitwaro 111,000 akasirira kamwe n'umutwaro gumana 10 akasirira kamwe n'umutwaro gumana 10 natunda trays z'amahuri 2,000 buri zoba natase milioni 20 buri zoba milioni 20 umwezi milioni 6 umwaka bilioni 7 n'ubukekuru 200. Atogo nibasangwa kamboreke bya mukama oba bishop batayire wakakumiro.
Welcome to Kamai Demonstration Farm. My name is Fred Byamukama. I'm a member of Parliament of Buganges West Constituency, Kakumiro District. We are now at our 4-acre demonstration farm. The land we have here is approximately 4 acres. This is a farm we started 2 years back here, 2.5 years back. And on this farm, we have half acre of pineapple, has 6 cows for zero grazing. We have poultry, about 25,000 birds, but only 11,000 are giving us eggs. And we have 1 acre of grass. We have piggery, those are very many. And 1 acre of coffee mixed with banana. Where we are, this is a 4-acre model farm. I did this activity to teach my voters, to lead by example, so that my voters can learn what media the president tells the public. This is an initiative I learned from the president sometime back when he sent me to learn to Kaumu, to Kisozi. I copied what I copied, this is what I came up with. And you will see as we move, or that side, this side, that's my 4-acre model farm. The house as well, I don't sleep here, but if I would sleep here, the house as well is seated on this 4-acre model farm. When you look at poultry, out of the 25,000 birds, it's only 11,000 giving me eggs. Others are soon giving me, and I get 302 trays per day minimally, because 11,000 birds are supposed to give me 366 trays. But because of the feeding method of deep litter, I don't get all the eggs. I get 302 trays per day minimally. Then I sell in a month, you can get a net profit of 55 million. Because you get 108 million, but you can't get all that. You have to buy feeds, pay workers, pay electricity, remain with 55 million net pay. When you get the cows per month, these are 6 cows. Each cow minimally gives you 20 liters. So when you get 20 times 6, that's 120 liters per day. 120 liters per day, for us a liter here is 2,000, because we sell each cup at 1,000. So you get 2,000 times 120, you get 24,000 per day. So 24,000 per day, when you multiply, you get about 7.6 million per month. But 7.6 million per month, you cannot save it. You have to get 200 to pay these workers, sometimes even the drug for spraying. That is zero grazing, you spray for ticks and other things. At the end of the day, you remain with a net profit of 6 million from the cows for zero grazing. So this is our grass. Here, 1 acre of grass.
Now,
this one.
You can hear Yamkama, when he was elected, his father was our long-term. Kuwa mronzele Yamkama kuwa mtereka ruru, isheka bali mtu wa movement Munonga, yamundetera. Yagira togo mtsigazo bamronzele umuhabure. Nkuko umuhabure binku bahabura hati. Byangiti bihinduka nibiyebyo. Namuhabura ngo kubagambira. We yabikwata. Mwarebe byakozire. Umwani hikemwe ebijuma ebitoke entezamate empunu amone nkoko z'amahuri. Umunkoko z'amahuri zonka ehamu trays 302 buri zoba. Umukwezi natasi milioni 505 yaheza kwiho ezo kukora emirimo. Ekikuma iso mu mwaka ainese amahoro gonka aine nka milioni 500 yaheza kwiho ezo kukozesa. Utatere mu by'umwani na biri ebindi. So when hati nkashemerwa ukureba ngo ba bishop kubezire kundi aba religious leaders n'abahabura nyabura mwe abuka kuno ngo hakariyo intaro zedini okusyamirana kweli okusyamirana mukumanya okusyamirana n'ekyo okusyamirana no okusyamirana n'enimi zenda kurwana zigira ziti imwigire iti when they are challenging one another okwita okusyamirana wakati okusyamirana kwamari okusyamirana naki nyotinye n'okusyamirana no Africa inyine umuntu wena abuka ndi umuntu azanjye ndisize y'abantu bashomadini cyito n'icyo nkwatire n'ibyawo ikindi kwenda inyana ngo ugura amataganyi kwagura amateganyi bobare munonga kwagura inyama yanjye bobare munonga kwagura ibitoke byanjye bobare munonga nyine nicyo kintu cy'inkufa umunyayuganda ndijo ati mboye no kuzakwangana wedi no gufaki nawe no kuhabuka n'abantu abatari n'ikiba gukora no kuzumura yebyo idini kwangana s'abantu Yesu nuko yabagizire idini yo kwangana mukagishoma nyoka nashomera nkandi wa school nyungandi wa school picha union kandi njaga ba bishop ngaba kare konga nkaza mukuru wana wa bishop nabureka beto butaye turiyo mu school picha union nkaba berekiria orufumu rumusamariya umurungi urufumu rundi koreka Yesu ko yahabwira abantu ngo uwakugasara nuwe ayino mugasho tuwe dini yawe n'uruganda rwawe nabo cyaba ko to muri ebyo nempabe umuntu uri kugambira icyo umugero uti sitani mvako genda siri nabude bwa ngebyo siri nabude nakatono wanga abokuba urukunyamba mnywani wanje urukuyamba family yanjye nuwagura amateganjye nuwagura inyama yanjye nuwagura ibitoke byanjye so abantu abariyo umukweyombeka bene bwire bukuzo mu ntaro z'amadini nezengana so babishoboka kwizera kungambe tingume kukizire nushinga kitamu nkuko bagambira ati bita abantu abakuru Rwanda mu dini bakoraki naboro bakukira ku Rwanda ibitarumu abo kandi babatene kibayine rero be kwateki abandi bazomukuraguza bazombafumu natunga byone birgo mboro to ishemererwe kureba ngo abo kwitakeri nkabagambira kare itakero kumurukozesa rifunzire ko kandi base kurukozesa umwiha mu cyango okukira okumukora hati Marangere gamba kangambira ubutunguru ikibaro kinje kukibara n'icyetegereza gite nje kukibara icyetegereza so mbona hati umbazi okuta abafutire cyenda na mukaga abita kerufuzire umbazi no umwani ebijuma unyatubente z'amata zo mu kiju yo kurya ekanyama amahuri empunu n'ebyenyanja ubwo nombazi ubwo muntu uwita karufunzire uwita kerahango nawe nombazi ubwo nasa kuhinga cyayi nasa kuhinga pamba nasa kuhinga ebicori nasa kuhinga ebikoijo nasa kuri sente z'enyankore nyunka nyine ndi sente z'enyankore kabobore sente zanyu usiteho ezo nente zanjye ezarigire tatenkuruza umwaka 1893 ente zikafwa zetu mbyamo zirinda pesa Konganyo tatenkuru ente mshanju za honoka survived. Nune hile entezi na batatento bona. So, nyuweni indise ente ezo abuko yinita karhangu. Indise ente ezo ukubanza zikazi ne be hate be yiyongere. Konka obutabe ntukitandika embaze k'ebyebiri. Intensive agriculture haba umuntu wita karike. Extensive agriculture n'ubugeiga. Commercial agriculture n'ubugeiga bw'umuringo gumwe, konka hariho amakorero, hariho artisanship, hariho services. N'ubugeiga. So mbona ubwo ngo muganda gwa kashatu enare mu gwetera hari Uganda ukubashomesa no kubayamba ibyo bugeiga. Ako tukubashomesa konga. Ukwihenyima tanto interete sente. Entandukwa NADZ, Operation Wealth Creation, PDM, ubona zone neza tizentunguka yenguto nebindi nga nezawe kwiho mboro iwo mwawe. Ata ubwo no muganda gwa kashatu. Kandi kiyambere bengi kandi cyayamba na Uganda. Nuburango mono Uganda ate no mwana mwingi. Nusho twineshaho miliyoni 12. Kuri nyuma twatwine miliyoni 3 zonka. Ikiretse cyene iki abantu kusimuka buri maka gakaza ombikora ibyo bugeiga. Ata ubwo no muganda gwa kashatu ubugeiga. Muganda nambemwe obusingi. Nambibiri entunguka. Namba kashatu ubugeiga. Namba kana emirimo. Jobs. Emirimo nerganka hi. Ejo nakyo kireta confusion abantu bazoku betorora. Batekateka ngwemirimo nergo mu government. Emirimo mu government ni mike munonga. Emirimo yone ya government nemirimo emitwaro 88. Konga turiyo obukekuru 50 hati. Ateje emirimo ne tumareta. Ninga Uganda niyo si yonka umunsi. Ezindi ensi nka Amerika nka Bungereza eza Buraya emirimo bagihahi kamboro kemirimo yakurga katurebe basangwa
mukaga n'ekitundu etubatukasi kuingiza. So tuwuliriza omulamu gwa president okuva ku kiseera ekyo twakati katukigiireko. President yabaire musanhufu ino ku bintu byenkoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako. Wendogera kati tulina abakozi 300 betukozesa wano.
Ati mbwenu Rawasangwa 2007 akaba ari umworo ni Rwanda Karumuka LC5 wenda kwitanda hakarumwako kuna abahabura y'umurimo yabirgaho yazumu nkoko n'amahuri hati no mugeiga konko bugeiga bwabasangwa uzeire mirimo 300 y'abanyarwanda abandi. So mbona bakano bagambe mirimo. Don't talk about jobs without talking about wealth creation. This is because jobs come from wealth. Wealth of an individual, of a family, of a company, or even a parastatal. You can get a parastatal like National Water. It is a parastatal. But it is creating jobs for so many Ugandans. It's the wealth of the government. It is different from a department. A department is just service delivery. but a parastatal or a private company are money making. So when I think you young people, nabandi nangona bakuru, okumanya what is the way forward? Otherwise, since independence, it is now 70 years since African countries started getting independence. Sudan was the first one to get independence in 1955. Sudan, Khartoum. But because of confusion, of not knowing where to go, Sudan, first of all, broke up into north and south. Even the remaining parties are now in war. People are dying. What is causing this? People not to know what is to be done. Diagnosis. So, understand the analysis of the NRM. So, Basangwa, Oro, Makumushanjunatano. Katahe, Umulaya, Emwe Haruzo, Trewa, Navakoram. Freeze there, freeze. At Malevian and Bayaba, Navakorum, Factory. Even and Bay. At factories, ezo zambale zikoze abana umutwaro gumene ku mibiri 1 square mile abuke itakeriyo ninyo narbaheire itaka ninyo narbaheire nkarugura from Bugisu Union bakaba inama banja nabashashura itaka square mile nagitwara abakoronda industrial park kubeze nari bahereza square mile yona nuko kutamu amakora gumukureba kaba boreke namamve ejo namamve niyo bene baragemiramwe kari y'ikibira ya government bakabanagamwe mirambwe ubwamini n'ububote ati mbene harimo amakorero 273 bigakosa abantu emtwarena n'enkumina aturebagana industrial arho ya mukono ya mkono Junior Kahejo. That's Kapeka. Ukuneta bentu Rwanda, kari Rwanderi hatirewe ukweli. Junior Wero triangle levo kwera hati. Tuwakanga mili nama ya mokora gariyo. Katurebe mkono. Anyway, industrial park sati ni nyingi, arho mkono, arho matuga, katurebe matuga, ariyo factory ya Magora. Iyo factory ya Mbazi ya Magora matuga. So ato n'umuganda ugwakana wa NRM hari Uganda nabagambira ngo imirimo ya government n'imtwarano na munani hataga makororo agatangire kwija bigakozesa abantu miliyoni emwe n'imtwarano 30 kandi nubuga tandikire konka hati bigakiza imirimo ya government imirundi 3 1.3 million versus 480,000 so mbona aho n'umuganda enare mugwetera ari Uganda ugo kuhabura kandi no kukora. We advise but also execute. We don't just advise. We don't preach only, preach. No. We tell you, get out of poverty. We give you entandikwa to get out of poverty. We tell you the source of jobs, factories, commercial agriculture, services, and support them. Mbona hati nyine factory eyinye koreire yo kongera omutindo omutare haro eyistere tororo onkaro itwenda kutaha kongani nyenda hika igana na 50 nyuma zo mbere ndurubanda bangabira hika 5 nteze tinkuzenda nazunuga nteze tizukumara ati mwene maza kureba ebitani bagambira weburi negira ngo a nation without a vision perishes ihangere tene kuranzia aboko abanyayuganda noreba hato kugo kwa bekuru etawuni batware ngo etawuni neyo buduka okutunda ebihwire etawuni yokukora mbona tubaretire ikintu ikisya industrial park neyo kukora tiyo kutunda imo ubutawuni obwanyu bwakare bukaburi obukutunda ebibe wa China kutunda bya Dubai kutunda amashoke gabafu agarigere manyike bako yamashoke gabafu retail and wholesale nubo butawuni bwabiri buriya ati tukwereka ngo amatawuni geno kukora manufacture not just sell. Mbona tubatyari yawo sabeti no mayabanya abafrican ko bagamba batyari yawo as if they were not in a hurry. Batyari yawo sabeti kiri yawo itaka aboko itaka abantu bakatwanyagura Urkuja rwakitoro wanje no shango muzeka guto kuyagitsigire nukweri zeka guta akagenda yazumu iguru tuturya ngaro wakitora eri nkoko muzeka guta yagitsigire tingoze kwikiriza ngo abana bagitema teme ngo nubabagana rwakitorera hamwe tukorera hamwe tubagane byargamu tukubagana nyungu tubagana meza agenyungu yataha so mbona ati land use kabare ubutaka bubona gufanya gwire nimombe rwakitura abana nkabagamba mwombe cye hamwe mwena umwana cye kombe kariya rije kombe kariya irita katiriyo kurwejegerera muri yongo niriyo kukora. This land is not for just accommodation, it is for wealth creation. Okuza itaka kuza ku tayo obusho ziyakora yarumuru mugwaryo ukinga ningo kurisa. So mbona tunoreba tuina makorero nyekoriri korati muzula hinari takabari ndite murunture basheja ikorero ndite murinture abukani ndienda ikiga na 5 tingwa na 50 muronde ana mtakaja ngumsebe tarare resiri ikoro ate agorngoma tafarana agana banyinda gamba unga chiri ha tafari akana mbere nyine kizubu ya abana kushashora school fees government schools ikintu kiti nkakigamba ngo abana bashomere bushomero bwa government bonga tubakita mu nkora ate kinkozere nasharamo ukore kensho bejo nashomesa abana umuskilling hubs nabashomesa busha nyina ngo bana banje abo bejaha kwara hina bariyaha bahereza ubujuzi uko kushomera busha bine ikikutera amagara gabo barahiye abana abo barwa ati abantu umujo n'umushiti bahereza ubujuzi
Museveni Jew amazina baranyeta himbisibwe Angela si uruga mukabare municipality so enda kusima ebyankorire nibingi so echo kubanza abandi mutawuni yitu ya Kabare yatambuza amahuri ndi kwe yandi kubi nahurira teka yeye yokuza muhabu kunakire muhabu natandika kwega kosi ya bekari so kuna kutandika kosi ya bekare natandika kuteka maandazi teka za chapati hamwe n'imigati na za keki so mgeni nyewe ndasima president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abwo kuba tuzahurire nico nareba Mr. Excellency hariho nkwasira mukono omuzere wanje tindamanya hari aja bamurebe nawe agambe echi mukorire abwo kuba kabaro wa FDC ari chairperson wa FDC namwe hayo namuteka mu movement so ajanuya agambira abantu beye echimukorire agisimbira furaga ya movement ya agisinga Museveni oye
kale na kwashamire bekara twargiye wakoraje
kandi ndakusima tasa president okankore cyo kutangaza abwo kuba kampereza miliyoni 10 kwampereza miliyoni 10 natandika kuzikozesa nyine duka nyine nente yanje ya yengobe njine muka ndagikozesa abwo kuba zirambesaho Mr. President echinda kusima we bare kutwata haminyeto
atuno tasiota
so
tasiota
kutiasi entiase yanje kutiya nyina abakozi banje bashatu so abakozi banje bashatu bugyomwe ndamushashura emitwari 10 so naza kusevinga sande ndasevinga emitwari 2
ukwezi
buri sande
buri kwezi
buri sande yes emitwari
umusheka no mugeiga
buri kwezi ndashoroza emitwaro 8
otyo buri kwezi nashaje emitwaro 8 kandi ati nakozesa abantu bashatu
kandi Mr. President ndera kutenga muranga gura ente yinguzire ndenda kutyasa nanye nkora maka ganje
karo mushiki umushiki
NRM hoye! Shankur hoye! Zina aka bambereza kamfati kuruga Kabale municipality yonkaba njyo mnyeto umwana wo mwishi wamazire kwega ndi musini ya kana na branch nareka kwega ndi muto nayefuza nisha mutawuni ya Kabale na za street nabona kunabire njyaho nahurira mulanga gwa president witu
cyakwira umushomero niki
ishomero ya presidential industrial hub
obuyo utaragumize mu after senior 4
kurufizi abasire banje kababurira naruga mu ishomero nisha mutawuni ya Kabale kunabire njyaho nahurira mulanga gw'ishomero eri president yaturetira muri Kigazi ejya industrial hub naza kwega kosi ya hair dressing kuna ichireyo kashomera busha okumara emyezi mukaga buli kimwe katishangayo president wita kachiterayo kashomaje agwo kube bikozese byona kaba biriho ebya saruni naye gasaruni okumara emyezi mukaga kuyawire bampa certificate eri kunyereka ebinyegire kumbikwasire kanyine kuza omubyaro nkakora saruni kebisa nko mwana wo mwishi kunashowire naronda murimo omusaruni natandika nakora nabona capital eringanire natandika saruni ko mwana wo mwishi hatiya aunda kugambira president witu inho saruni ejo enyine mabakozi banje bashatu nimba shashira buri kwezi kandi shubanya shashira renti nikusima mnonga ahagwa kutishuka nkabana bayejiro mu industrial hub okatutera miliyoni 50 omusako yitu turakusima mnonga kandi nitukuraganisa akaruruka ko 2026 kuna kawe emyetso ya Kabale na Uganda yona Dabashaba karuruka His Excellency President witu ahagwa kubara tumanya namanya mwana tejire President haye NRM haye
kale ati njofuteze ne mwishani so ati mbwenu mwareba obuzare mwahurira byone bya NRM kubikuratana obusinge entunguka ubugaiga emirimo yona nibikwatana kandi kimwe nikiyambe kindi atasigara y'amatafari 3 tunagagambaho ahubwo tutine bwire nkonja gagambaho mu press conference kandi gari mu manifesto so hati nimbashaba abakabare NRM oye NRM oye umgurusi w'ekikofira oye Kigezi oye East Africa oye akaruko na mkahereze NRM hati a press conference inja gamba kigambo cya cyayi abukati nyine wiru kukigambaho nshemerero kumanya ngo cyayi ikina katare nkanyira kiringwa katare tikaraho konka barunumi nabandi bagira urukiko bushenyi bakishobora ngo cyayi ina katare wakoreye ikintu kiriya na kiriya ntuza kubikora konka ninja kubigamba press conference NRM oye kathereza abebendera
NRM oye Museveni oye flag bearers ati ninyenda kwakire omwami Eliabu Tembo yakira bendera yawe abandi mulinde honda beta Eliabu Mpolera, Ndorwa West. Ati ninyeto mwa Eliabu Mpolera oyambuke. Eliabu oye! Kwachire Dr. Porotazio Begumisa, Ndorwa East. Porotazio oye! Aya, Tukuraseo, Omwami, Baryayanga, Andrew, Kabale Municipality! Tukuraseo, Baryayanga Shuma mwa. Kuraseo anti NED oli kumisiriza ogwendo mukazi ahabwa Kabale Municipality ni wogwe Tukuraseo Dennis Nzeirwe Njomujenyi LC5 Denesi Tukuraseo Aline Itwe Sam Orlando Bwambeya Kabale Municipality Tukuraseo Njamuhachi Eunice People with Disabilities MP Western Region Eunice Tukuraseo Birungi Anet Owabakozi Tukuraseo Youth wa Western Youth Western Kale basi. So Your Excellency nitukusima we bali kutongoza abasingwire bendera zeitu ahabwo bwire ninza kushaba abaskilling center ko kumwamwaru gaha mushume tuteze chishwani na His Excellency the President. Chishwani na President abarabiro mu skilling hub. Mube munda mihokache Chishwani His Excellency no mwishiwe Natasha bali mune bateza na flag bearers bendera n'ekintu kikuru niyeri kuturuka kurungi tukaguma mu movement k'ekibina ky'amaani koli kuba teine bendera ogwagwanamu akantu Nanishaba Asinga Bridget Orahuke chairman nga chairperson wa party ito mu district neiwe obena flag bearers. So abo barugaho ninza kushaba aba skilling center kuzayo abo kwebiye ebichoncho nimwe mwijire heihi tugire kishwane kinde cha Women League